By now, many have heard about the passing of Orenthal James Simpson, aka OJ, former NFL star whose fame was tarnished in 1995 when he was accused and later acquitted of the gruesome murders of ex-wife Nicole Brown Simpson and her friend Goldman. What some might not know is in 2009, a California jury found Simpson liable for these deaths in civil court. OJ was ordered to pay $33.5 million in damages to the Brown and Goldman families. However, Simpson managed to avoid paying most of this judgment by shielding his assets. Based on accumulating interest, that judgment now stands at $114 million. Following Simpson's death, his attorney, Malcolm Laverne, was appointed as the personal representative of his estate. Laverne has stated, and probably rightly so, that the civil judgment will remain unpaid. But what would have happened if Simpson had died in Michigan, and how would our probate laws affect the payment of this judgment? Michigan prioritizes claims against an estate according to MCL 700.3805. The first to get paid are the administration costs and expenses. Think attorney fees, court costs, estate asset maintenance, and estate taxes. Next in line are funeral expenses. Following that, any homestead and family allowances, plus any exempt payable to surviving spouse or minor/dependent children. Since Simpson's children are all adults and he has no surviving spouse, these allowances might not come into play. After these categories, debts and taxes with priority under federal law need to be addressed, including, in Simpson's case, his substantial IRS debt. Let's break it down. First, the personal representative, in this case Laverne, will pay himself and handle other administrative costs. Next, he'll cover funeral expenses. Serially, the IRS will claim its due. Following that, any last medical and hospital expenses. Only then do the civil judgments come into play. Given Simpson's net worth of approximately $3 million, it's clear the civil judgment cannot be fully paid off. However, under Michigan law, the Brown and Goldman families would still be entitled to a portion of Simpson's estate. The extent of this portion is uncertain and heavily depends on how much remains after higher priority claims are settled. Even though the estate will primarily be governed by Nevada and possibly California laws, this analysis helps us understand Michigan's approach. The Goldman and Brown families would face a complex and lengthy legal battle, but they would still have their day in court. If you have any questions about this video or believe you have a claim against an estate, reach out to me, Denise Medina at Fausone and Grysko PLC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.